The future isn't coming. It's already here. In 2025, AI has moved out of the cloud and into your pocket, bedroom, and even your bathtub. From voice recorders that transcribe and translate on the fly to smart rings that track your sleep like a hospital. We're about to show you 10 mind-blowing AI gadgets that are changing everyday life as we know it. 100% of you watching, drop a comment below. Which AI gadget would you actually use in real life? We're reading every single reply. Hedo P1, your AI-powered voice assistant in your pocket. Meet the Hedo P1, a compact AI voice recorder that turns your Bluetooth earphones into a real-time personal assistant. It doesn't just record, it listens, transcribes, cleans up background noise, and even summarizes entire conversations. Whether you're in a noisy cafe or a business meeting, it captures crystal clear audio and can identify different speakers. Need translations on the go? It handles that too. It's like having a meeting assistant, translator, and note taker, all in your pocket. In 2025, this isn't a luxury, it's a must-have productivity upgrade. DJI Flip, the AI drone that fits in your bag. Say hello to the DJI Flip, a foldable AI-powered drone that's changing the game for creators in 2025. This compact drone shoots 4K video at 60 frames per second, fits easily in your bag, and doesn't even require registration. Thanks to its smart AI, it can automatically track movement using 6 intelligent flight modes to capture cinematic shots from wild dynamic angles. It even comes with propeller guards for worry-free flying. Whether you're a content creator, traveler, or just love aerial footage, DJI Flip brings pro-level drone shots within everyone's reach. Halo Modular Air Duster. Cleaning meets AI innovation. Cleaning just got futuristic with the Halo Modular Air Duster. This isn't your average dust blower. It packs a 90,000 RPM motor, a real-time battery display, and a modular design that turns it into more than just a cleaner. It functions as a powerful fan, portable power bank, and even supports future add-ons like a light and shaver. Built with both power and versatility in mind, it's perfect for tech enthusiasts, gamers, or anyone who wants a smarter way to clean and cool. It's customizable, portable, and powered by AI. Moonside Star Bulb, smart lighting that feels alive. Step into the future of lighting with the Moonside Star Bulb, a smart bulb packed with 96 individually programmable LEDs that let you paint your space with color and emotion. Want a galaxy on your ceiling or a warm sunset glow at your desk? Done. With Matter support, it integrates seamlessly with Alexa, Google Home, and Apple HomeKit. It responds to your mood, time of day, or even your favorite movie scenes. Plus, it includes studio-grade white LEDs for practical brightness. This isn't just smart lighting, it's emotionally intelligent ambiance. Chill Shark, the AI-powered cold. Plunge for peak recovery. Recovery goes next-gen with the Chill Shark, an AI-powered cold plunge system that transforms any bathtub into a personalized ice bath. Cold therapy isn't new, but with Chill Shark, it's smarter, faster, and fully app-controlled. Set your exact water temperature, schedule plunges, and monitor everything from your phone. Athletes, biohackers, and high performers love it for stress relief, recovery, and mental clarity. No more messy ice bags or guesswork, just optimized cold therapy at home. This is AI-driven recovery, redefined for 2025 living. Circular Ring 2, ultra smart health in a tiny package. Smaller than a paperclip, but smarter than your fitness app? The Circular Ring 2 delivers hospital-grade health tracking right from your finger. It monitors heart rate, SpO2 levels, oxygen desaturation, and even sleep apnea with stunning accuracy. The battery lasts 10 to 12 days on a single charge, and it's fully waterproof up to 100 meters. But it doesn't just track, it analyzes your data with AI and gives personalized insights on when to move, rest, or optimize your routine. This is next-level wearable health tech that works invisibly yet powerfully. Dr. Cushion Smart Sleeping Pad, AI that sleeps with you. The Dr. Cushion Smart Sleeping Pad brings AI directly into your bed to completely transform how you sleep. With 8 levels of adjustable firmness, it automatically adapts to your sleeping position in real time using built-in pressure sensors. Side sleeper? It adjusts. Rollover? It readjusts. It also features an integrated cooling system to maintain the perfect temperature and even offers massage wave modes to help you fall asleep or wake up gently. With sleep tracking, posture detection, and AI-powered analytics, it's your personal sleep coach, masseuse, and smart thermostat in one. Maddo Smart Shades, solar-powered, AI-controlled window magic. The Maddo Smart Shades are redefining window treatments with a mix of elegance, automation, and AI. These smart blinds are solar-powered, install in minutes with a tension rod system, and require no wiring or drilling. What makes them stand out? Full Matter compatibility, allowing seamless control through Alexa, Google Home, and Apple HomeKit. They adjust automatically based on time of day, weather, or even your sleep cycle. Wake up to natural sunlight or darken your space before movie night without lifting a finger. They're smart, silent, and completely self-sustaining. Fanbat, the AI fan that doubles as a power bank. Meet Fanbat, your portable summer lifesaver that's both a smart fan and a power bank. Whether you're at the beach, hiking, or navigating city heat, Fanbat gives you instant cooling with AI that automatically adjusts fan speed based on temperature and battery level. It's compact enough to slip into your pocket, charges fast, and can power up your phone or earbuds on the go. Smart, efficient, and ultra-handy, it's the kind of multi-purpose gadget you didn't know you needed until you try it. ProColored K8DTF printer, AI for creators and entrepreneurs. The ProColored K8DTF printer is a game changer for creators, print shops, and anyone launching custom merch. This isn't just a textile printer. It uses laser detection to ensure flawless prints and AI-powered systems to manage ink flow, reduce waste, and prevent clogs. Whether printing on t-shirts, hoodies, or tote bags, it delivers vibrant, high-precision results with minimal effort. With automated maintenance and real-time monitoring, you focus on your designs while the K8 handles the tech. In 2025, this is what AI-driven creativity at home really looks like. So there you have it, 10 insane AI gadgets that prove the future isn't coming, it's already here. These aren't just cool toys or science fiction concepts. They're real products that are redefining daily life. From how we sleep, recover, light our homes, record ideas, and even design our own merch. AI is no longer trapped inside an app or cloud server. It's in your ring, mattress, window blinds, and fan, quietly learning, adapting, and making your routine smarter, faster, and more personal. This is the age of intuitive environments where machines don't just respond, they anticipate your needs. What's even more exciting is how accessible all this tech is becoming. These devices aren't built for labs or luxury homes. They're built for people like you who want a smarter, more optimized life. So now we want to hear from you, 100% of you watching. Which of these AI gadgets would you actually use in your daily life? Drop a comment below. We're reading every single one. And if you love this glimpse into the near future, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell because we've got even more groundbreaking tech drops coming your way. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the era of living with AI.